Did you know that you can make your own homemade vegetable broth? You don't have to buy it from the store, and it don't cost you anything extra to make it homemade. Let me show you how I do it. Right here in this pot are my vegetable scraps. So as I cook each day, whatever vegetables that I am cleaning and dicing, I save any of the scraps left over from that. So if I have celery, I save the stalk of the celery, I save the leaves. If I have an onion, I save the onion skin and the ends that I cut off. If I have a carrot, the ends of the carrots, I save that. You can save the core of cabbage. You can save the stems of broccoli, the tough ends of asparagus, the seeds of bell pepper, anything like that, any vegetables. You can save the part that you would usually throw away. Save it. Put it in a Ziploc bag, stick it in the freezer until you get a couple of bags, and then you can boil that and make your vegetable broth. So that's what I'm doing right here. I have all of those pieces of vegetables simmering right here. I'm going to let that simmer for a few hours. Also, I have found some other stuff in my refrigerator. So here is a little bit of leftover cabbage. I'm just going to throw that in there. I found some matchstick carrots that I'm not going to use, so I'm going to put those in there. Now, I'm just going to salt this a little bit. That will help bring out the flavor. And for added flavor, I have some fresh herbs from my herb garden. Rosemary, oregano, thyme. I'm going to put all of that in there. Now, if you don't have fresh herbs, you can use dried herbs. That will work as well. Going to put a lid on. I've got this on about medium heat. Just going to let this simmer for a few hours, and then I can strain it, and I will have a delicious homemade vegetable broth that you can use to make rice instead of using water. You can use it when you make gravy. You can use it when you are seasoning vegetables to cook. It's just a really wonderful way to use up your extra bits and pieces that you would normally throw away. I have let the vegetable broth simmer throughout the day, probably about 5 hours. You don't have to simmer that long, but I'm going to pour this up. I'm pouring it through this little strainer here. I'm going to strain the broth out from the vegetables. I'm just pressing the juice out of these vegetables through this strainer. Okay, y'all, there is our beautiful homemade vegetable broth, ready to use in your favorite recipes.